baby is getting rid of her truck today. And oh my goodness, this truck has definitely served its purpose. I mean, it did its big one, all right? Y'all just take a look at it. Like, I just can't believe we getting rid of our cars, y'all. Like, what the freak? What the freak? And then I'm getting rid of this bad boy in like, what, 2 days? Like, what in the entire freak? And then this bad boy, the house about to be gone in like 2 weeks. Like, come on. We really own to bigger and better things, y'all. I'm just like, what? Like, oh my goodness. But I gotta document this journey, y'all. I have to document this. Baby, how you feel? I mean, oh, where'd she go? I'm just in awe. We had a garage sale and just like damn near cleaned out everything in the garage. As y'all can tell, like we've been cleaning stuff out in the house too. Like really been getting to it. Baby, how you feel?
I feel good. I'm a little sore from all this physical labor, but other than that, I feel like we're definitely making waves and getting stuff moving.
Yes, we are. Like you about to get rid of your baby. I'm showing our tags in it, but it ain't even gonna matter when this finally films.
You might not know. You might still want to blur that out. You never know.
You think so?
I don't know.
I mean, it's gonna be null and void. But this is just crazy. Oh yeah, I do. I need to take your tags off. I'm just like, I got a whole story for y'all about my truck, but we're gonna save it for another day. But when I tell you, like, these last few days have just been crazy. Like, just crazy on a whole nother level. Like, just so much has been happening, so much is going on. And while we are moving and grooving and getting stuff done, it's like, I don't know, like, you could just see, like, just different things unfolding and trying to unfold. So, I don't know, I think it's just pretty cool to witness, honestly. I think it's just super cool. But let me go get some tools because I need to take her tags off when we get to where we're going. And like I said, I'm documenting the journey, all right? So you hold tight, because I got some more for you. This is what our closet looks like, y'all. We used to have like 2 white dressers here and 2 white dressers here. We have gotten rid of them. But let me show y'all the rest of the house. Couch, completely gone. Side tables, completely gone. Entertainment system, completely gone. That last table we had, completely gone. Let's take it upstairs. Bedroom set, completely gone. Entertainment system, completely gone. The closet in here is just about cleared out. I mean, this is like all the stuff that I'm taking. So I have about 4 duffel bags. I got this super dope Culture Kings duffel bag, which is super hard. With my hats and some stuff in there. And then I got a roly-poly suitcase. But this is really it. And this is empty boxes. So all this is going to the trash. Probably gonna leave that there. Loft area, completely empty. Couch gone. My workspace where I have my computer, my work computer and stuff set up, gone. Ottoman, gone. Like, The other bedroom set, which is the second guest room, completely gone. Completely gone. Empty. Like, excuse me? Come on now. Come on with it. The weights we had over there is gone. The side table we had over there is gone. The dresser is gone. We still have this to get rid of, but this is about to be gone. Empty closet. Like, it's really coming along, y'all. Like, I don't even know how to feel. I do not know how to feel. And currently, as we speak, we only have one vehicle. We just got rid of baby's video today. We only have one vehicle, and we just got rid of wifey's vehicle today. And I'll be getting rid of mine in like 2 days. So just to see that happen and to see her walk away with the money that was offered to her is just like, bro, we really doing this. Like, we really doing this. So tomorrow we're going to pick up the rental, okay? Because since I'm getting rid of my car in the next 2 days, we're gonna need some type of something to get around. Not to mention we are going to one of our homegirls' house this weekend for a housewarming gathering. So we definitely need a vehicle, all right? And so we have this week, and then next week is the last week in the house. But next week we trying to just like already be done with all the big stuff. If not, completely like empty by then, because some of the stuff downstairs is already spoken for. I think the only things that's really not spoken for is this space right here, which is her vanity space, and the office downstairs, and that's it. Because the people that's buying the house, they want our bedroom set. They want the 2 side tables, they want the bed frame, they want the dresser, they want the mirror. So the only thing we got to get rid of is the mattress and the box spring, which we'll probably put that in storage. It needs to go to storage unless we could sell it. But yeah, y'all, like, it's happening. Like, it is for sure happening, and I'm ecstatic. I'm ecstatic about it. More to come. Oh my gosh, I'm really documenting this journey, and it's crazy. And I'm so glad that I can document it on my phone. Like, I don't have to necessarily use my camera. Like, I can use my phone, because I just kind of feel like I'd mess around and accidentally delete me documenting the journey on my camera. But the fact that I got a phone, I can do it on my phone. But yeah, I just want to put emphasis on how much I downsized my wardrobe to like 4 bags. These 2 bags right here, I'm gonna just consider it to just be like stuff that I would probably wear if it's cold outside. Like, I have sweats and jeans in here and boots, and I have 2 thick ass hoodies in here. But I also have like my punching gloves. I have my cologne in here. I do have like some actual clothes, some belts in here. And then these 2 bags, bada bing, bada boom, is like my actual like clothes, like shorts, t-shirts, underwear, socks, as you can see, bras, which I am gonna add some more. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna add, or what I'm gonna take as far as hair products. Still trying to figure that part out. Don't know. Got my hats in here. I'm gonna have my hats in here along with my camera equipment, and then in the roly-poly suitcase, these 2 gonna be my carry-on. But in here, I'm gonna have some Yeezy slides, important documents, of course, documents that I need to have on my body, and my laptop, my mouse, chargers, like stuff that I need to have close by me is gonna be in that bag, all right? So everything is basically solidified. Like I said, I'm still trying to decipher if I am gonna put like some products as far as like hair products in my bag or not, but I do have one more bag to put in that one. That's gonna be like my sports bras, my underwears and stuff like that. But that's really it, y'all. Like, this is really it. And I'm super proud of myself. Like, uber proud of myself. I am super proud of myself. I'm proud of my wife. I'm just proud of the fact that we stuck to it and we're making this decision. Like, even though nobody has said anything crazy to us making this decision, but I'm just glad that we're sticking to it. Like, you know what I'm saying? 'Cause some people, they just be like, oh, change my mind, it's too difficult, or it's just too much. Bro, anything that's worth having or worth doing is too much. You know what I'm saying? It's too much, so why not do it and live it to the fullest, bro? But yeah, I may feel froggy and get rid of some more stuff. So I don't know. I kind of been going back and forth on what I want to keep in the bag, what I want to get rid of. But for the most part, like this is it. Like this is what I'm taking. So yeah. And then like this whole like space right here is like, I'm really upset at the fact that I can't take my Pokemon cards. Like I really had my mind made and like decided, oh, I'm taking these with me, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to take them with me. And unless I get rid of some stuff and I can make room for it, but the binder is just too freaking heavy. Like it adds entirely too much weight to my luggage, and I ain't got time for that. But this whole space right here is going to my niece. Like I'm gonna give my niece all this equipment, is lights, this C-arm, what do you call this? Tripod, I guess. Like some, what is this? Terabyte. This little thing here actually follows you. It's like a sensor, but for like recording, some adapter pieces, some chargers, giving her a mic, a weekly planner. I haven't made my mind up on this. Might not give her that. Actually, I might. Go ahead. I might give her that. Just cause like, where am I put it? That shit, like, and I feel like just one more notch down and that's as low as it goes. I have enough shit. Like, I can't carry that. So she's getting a ring light, some more lights in here. Yeah, man. We're getting this thing on and popping. But that was just a quick little update just to show y'all what's going on, man. Today is October 20th, and we got 16 more days. 16 more days left in country before we depart for Thailand. So y'all stay tuned.
The mile is a millennium. Say baby, I. Got too many flows, I be killing them. Oh baby, tell me say she killing them. Mind what I die.